started my schooling career in 1978 at Trinity College, Kandy, and I continued my education up 1982 at Richmond College in Goa. In 1986, when I was in grade 8, I first won an open competition for general knowledge at Richmond College. And the next year, I thought of joining the quiz club at Richmond College, and I sat for the entrance exam, which was held in October 1987. But I failed it and did not qualify to get elected to the quiz club. But that did not stop me or discourage me. I started continuing my studies and reading books and gathering knowledge, especially on aspects of pop culture and sports, which were the main interest to me at that time. Then in 1991, based on my academic performance in the school, I was asked to join the quiz club by the principal at that time, and I first took part in the first quiz competition in my schooling career in 1991 January, which was the Masterminds conducted by the Lions Club. In that competition, our school was placed third, but in 1991 I finished my A-levels, finished my schooling career in 1992, and in 1994 I went to the University of Moratuwa to study for my BSc degree in built environment. After that, for a few years I did not take part in quiz competitions, but in 2001 I was able to take part in a quiz competition with Mr. Ruwan Senanayake and Mr. Dinesh Veeratunga in the Sri Lanka Masterminds, also conducted by the Lions Club. That was the first major victory in my adult career as a quizzer. After that, in 2006, I took part in the World Championships, the Sri Lanka edition, and was placed second. And in the next year, I won it for the first time. I won it again in 2008, and from 2012 to 2019, I have won the World Quizzing Championship, the Sri Lanka edition, in a few years in a row. What most people ask me is how I gather information and how I do very well in quizzes. The main reason is I'm inquisitive and interested in a lot of areas, and as a rule I make an effort to read at least one Wikipedia page or an Encyclopedia Britannica page every day. And before I go to sleep in the night, I try to remember what I have learned during the day. Also, it's very important that you write down the information, interesting facts and information you come across throughout the day in a book and keep them ready for your reference. I think knowing what you know and knowing what you don't know is one of the main reasons of why somebody can be a good quizzer or a scholar in general. If you don't understand and do not realize what you are not good at, you will not make an effort to learn new things. So, like there are many books in the world, millions of books, but you can't read all the books in the world during your lifetime. Best thing is to read few books which are very good thoroughly and get acquainted with the information in those books, and then read the other books at your leisure time. So I think those are the things which made me a good quizzer, and I want to wish all of you, those who are watching this, a good quizzing career and a very good life. Thank you very much.